Today we are going to discuss surface areas and volume section C. It is a 3 mark sum. So we need to find the volume of the container that is in the shape of a cylinder with hemispherical ends. So let us proceed. This is the oil container. This is the oil container that is in the shape of a cylinder. It has two hemispherical ends. The extreme length of oil container, that is 23 centimeter. Extreme length, this full length is equal to 23 centimeter. And radius is equal to 3 centimeter. This is called radius. This is 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. And this is 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Then we need to find the volume. So let us write the given things. Given two shapes. First one is cylinder, then hemisphere. Cylinder radius. Radius is same, 3 centimeter. And you see height is not given. Instead of that, they have given the extreme height, outer length only it is given. See, this is 3 plus 3, 6 centimeter out of the total length. 3 plus 3 is 6. It goes for the radius of these two hemispherical ends. That means 23 minus 6. So you will get 17 centimeter. Now the 17 centimeter is the height of the cylinder. See, this is the height of the cylinder. 17 centimeter is the height of the cylinder. Now height is equal to 17 centimeter. For hemisphere, radius is equal to 3 centimeter. So now we need to find the volume. To find volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is equal volume of the, it is called oil container. Volume of the oil container. Volume of the oil container is equal to volume of the cylinder plus volume of sphere. So what I will do is two hemispherical ends, two hemispherical ends I will combine with a sphere like that. So plus volume of sphere. Or you can write 2 into volume of hemisphere. So which is equal to volume of the cylinder. 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So as I told you, first to simplify the formula, it will be easy for you to cancel the steps. Steps will be easy. Before that you check it out, or same. Here also or, here also or. So let us take minimum 1 pi r square is common. Here also 1 pi r square, here also pi r square, no. So let us take pi r square is outside. H plus 4 by 3 into r, which is equal to pi value. Check it out, it is not given. So let us write 22 by 7 into r equal to 3. 3 into 3. H, it is 17. Plus 4 by 3 into radius, again it is 3. Now close the bracket. Now 3 is cancelled. Now 22 by 7 into 3 into 3 into 17 plus 4, it is 21. Now you see again, this is 1 time, it is 3 times. So easily it is given cancellation. It is easy. They itself given the numbers are which is getting cancelled. So 22 times into 3 3s are 9, 9 into 3, 9 into 3, 27. It is 54, right? One more 54. Which is equal to 594. Check it out, the units. Centimeter cube. 594 centimeter cube. So now, therefore, volume of the oil container is equal to 594 centimeter cube. Volume of the oil container equal to 594 centimeter cube. Here only the thing is just keep the fraction as it is, simplify the formula, just substitute till the end. You see the numbers, you can easily, it will get cancelled. Some boys have some students initially if you cancel and get it into a decimal means it will become difficult to get the final answer. Don't cancel blindly immediately. Here itself don't cancel this 3 and 7. Because being in a hurry, some students they'll do the mistake, commit mistake like this. So just substitute and simplify till the last step, then you see the simplification. You see easily it is divisible. So now we have reached the answer easily.